heart to sing thy grace. Streams of mercy never ceasing, call for songs of loudest praise. Teach me some melodious sonnet, sung by flaming tongues above. Praise the mount I'm fixed upon it, mount of thy redeeming love. Here I raise my Ebenezer, hither by thy help I come, and I hope by thy good pleasure safely to arrive at home. Jesus sought me when a stranger, wandering from the fold of God. He to rescue me from danger interposed his precious blood. Oh, to grace, how great a debtor daily I'm constrained to be. Let thy goodness like a fetter bind my wandering heart to thee. Prone to wander, Lord, I feel it, prone to leave the God I love. Here's my heart, Lord, take and seal it for thy courts above. Here's my heart, Lord, take and seal it for thy courts above. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Come Thou Fount. If you saw me using some chords in this arrangement that you didn't recognize, or maybe you want to learn that finger picking part that I was playing throughout, there's a link to a tutorial to this arrangement down in the description below. Also down in the description below, you'll find a link to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you some advanced guitar voicings that you can substitute for the standard chord voicings that you've been playing, and you can level up your guitar playing. It's super easy to do. It's just a one-for-one trade. So check that out down in the description below. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.